Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, my name is Putri Rahmadhani. I'm from 12 Natural Science 1. Today I'm going to show you how to make a donut. Materials you need are 205 grams of flour, 2 egg yolks, 50 grams potatoes boiled and mashed, 60 grams of sugar, 1 sachet of instant yeast, half teaspoon of salt, 50 grams of butter, 2 sachets of powdered milk, and cold water. First, put the mashed potato into a bowl. Put flour, sugar, powdered milk, and yes, into it. Then knead the dough until it's mixed thoroughly. After that, put the egg yolks and water. Then knead it again until it's nicely mixed. After it mixed, add butter and salt. Salt. Knead the dough until it's smooth and not sticky anymore. Take small amount of the dough and shape the dough into a ball. And put a hole in the middle. Do the same to the rest of the dough until no one is left. Heat the oil on the frying pan to deep fry the dough while waiting for the dough to rise. After the dough has risen, fry the dough one by one. Fry the dough until it's golden brown. Put the donut into sugar and shake well. The donut is ready.